Traditional breadboard needs to use a lot of wiring. Also, it is prone to shift the wires inadvertently when moving. ArduEZ 20805 Raspberry Pi dedicated breadboard improved the trouble of complicated wiring and inconvenience when moving or carrying. Just take it with one hand. No need to worry about wire displacement. Both front and back holes can be inserted. Can be easily combined with Raspberry Pi without complicated and messy wiring. The circuit of traditional breadboard is messy, and it needs other equipment to determine the signal. ArduEZ 20805 signal indicators can help to identify if there's a signal or not. The pins are symmetrical to the Raspberry Pi, saving the time of checking the pin map. Traditional breadboard needs to be connected to a measuring instrument to detect. It needs more tools: high potential, low potential, and high frequency, mid frequency, low frequency. Can be confirmed by probe. Logic pen. Confirmed when the light is on. High potential, low potential, high frequency, mid frequency, low frequency. Easy to carry. Clearly marked pins. Frequency easy to distinguish. Signals are easy to identify.